कर्नाटक के होम मिनिस्टर प्रियंक खरगे ने नीट पेपर लीक को लेकर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी और यूनियन एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान पर तीखा हमला बोला है। खरगे ने कहा, मुझे ज़्यादा खुशी होती अगर पीएम मोदी अपने बयान में धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को कैबिनेट से हटाने का ऐलान करते। उन्होंने सवाल उठाया कि जब देश भर के स्टूडेंट्स प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर इतनी देर तक खामोश क्यों रहे। प्रियंक खरगे ने कहा कि आज स्टूडेंट्स की सबसे बड़ी डिमांड धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा है। उन्होंने हुकूमत पर स्टूडेंट्स के मुस्तकबिल को नज़रअंदाज करने का इल्ज़ाम लगाया और प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स के खिलाफ पुलिस एक्शन की भी तनकीद की। खरगे ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी और होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह को निशाना बनाते हुए कहा, आज देश के दो सबसे बड़े बुज़दिल प्राइम मिनिस्टर और होम मिनिस्टर हैं। उनका कहना था कि स्टूडेंट्स सिर्फ एजुकेशनल रिफॉर्म्स और इंसाफ की मांग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनकी आवाज़ को दबाया जा रहा है।
अगर आप गुलबर्गा में एक बेहतरीन सीबीएसई स्कूल की तलाश में हैं, तो आई इनोवेटिव इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में आपका स्वागत है। यहाँ मिलती है स्मार्ट क्लासेस, एक्सपीरियंस टीचर्स, लैब्स और एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग। एलकेजी से 9th तक एडमिशंस ओपन है। ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए स्कूल विजिट करें।
So if it was so important, what took him so long to speak up? परीक्षा पे तो चर्चा हो रही थी ना, तो इतने देर चुप क्यों बैठे? And more importantly, I would have been extremely grateful to the PM, or I would be happy if he came out and told in the video that I am throwing Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan out of my cabinet. But that never happened. That is what the students are demanding, right? That's what everybody is demanding. Why is Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan so indispensable? What secrets does he carry of Mr. Modi or Mr. Shah? For Mr. Shah and Mr. Modi have a thought for everything, have to say about everything. They have enough time to mock the Congress. They have enough time to mock Mr. Gandhi, Mrs. Priyanka, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Kharge. But when it comes to the students' future, what concrete thing has he said? He said he's going to set up fast track court, and what happened? The prime accused was let off on the same day. What justice can the children expect? So I think it's not substantial. It is not good enough. The demand is simple. Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan should go.
Sir, and also AI profiling of students is being done at the protest site and pellet guns are being used. How do you see such measures being used against the students who are...
The government is scared. The two biggest cowards in the country today are the Home Minister of the country and the Prime Minister of the country. This is what they are doing to our children. And what are they asking? Are the children or the students protesting for money or for subsidies or some incentives? They are asking for educational reforms. They are asking the person responsible for disturbing their future, for disrupting their future, to resign. And just look at what's happening in Jantar Mantar. Look at what's happening across the country. You think this is organized by some political party? The people are worried about their future. Lives have been lost. People have committed suicide, and yet this government doesn't think that it is necessary for them to throw out an incompetent minister like Mr. Pradhan. They're using pellets. They're using tear gases. They're using BJP and RSS goons in mufti, in civil clothes, to attack students. Isn't this cowardly? So 56 inch का सीना क्या हुआ भाई? I have been telling you that the India's foreign policy has been outsourced to Mr. Donald Trump. This friendship with Mr. Trump is costing our farmers, is costing our ecosystem heavily. And the Prime Minister is quietly surrendered to the whims and fancies of one man.